Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is just now trying to make a new swing low here below $19,335. So the key level here was the $19,400 level. As long as we're holding above this level, generally a bullish scenario is still possible. As you know, it's not my primary expectation anyway. The focus is on the downside as long as we stay generally below $22,100. This is of this move to the downside, the 78.6% retracement. So, and wherever, and there are different possibilities where to move the wave 1 low to, but it doesn't really matter. Overall, you can see that it is the $22,100 level that is relevant, and above that level we would flip bullish. It is what it is, but this is really only possible. Well, it's not. It is only, let's say, likely to a certain degree as long as we're holding above the $19,400 level, because on the flip side, from that move to the upside, this is the 78.6% FIB level. So we have already broken that level. It's not a substantial break, yeah. That would only become relevant if we break below it, retest, and then stay below it. But yeah, it doesn't look bullish anymore. It didn't look anyway, since we've been coming down here and broke the $18,900 level. That was the key level. Then obviously we expected a move up where we reversed in this area. Brilliant. Came down. We have come into this target area. And yeah, as I made you aware, that it is not very likely anymore that we are going to see a move here to the upside, because what is still a possibility, yeah, but it's getting unlikely now, that obviously here in this white wave count within the yellow wave 3, so this is the main wave count, yeah, 1, 2 already done. We are now in the wave 3. The impulsive price action to the downside here actually, yeah, I would say confirms, especially if you go any lower, that we are in this wave 3. So from that point of view, the labeling seems to be working out here. And I told you, as long as we stay below the $20,200 level, we cannot expect really a stronger move up, because the possibility was that if we get above the $20,200 level, that we will see a larger wave 2 here. But until that's the case, we leave the wave 2 here, assume we're already in the wave 3, within the wave 3 then in that 5 wave move here, and that we've already done the wave 1, here the wave 2, and we're now heading down in a wave 3. So this looks likely now, especially given how strong we have moved down. So you could still at the moment say that we're going to see a stronger move up in a wave 2, but I don't think it's very likely. It would mean we have here a wave A, here a B, and that could still be an, let's say, become an expanded flat or anything. So the wave B here, whatever, and then a wave C to the upside. But it's not very likely, because as I said, if this blue wave 2 goes any higher than 20,200, we will have to assume it's not that blue wave 2 anymore, but that we are then moving this one across, okay? So at the moment I leave it like that. I don't think we're going to see another leg up in a wave C. Can't rule it out. Is it probable? No. So we can now look at possibly lower lows really. This is coming down quite impulsively. Next support is around the $19,000 level and then 18,500. And I think this is also around about the target for the wave 3 in blue anyway. So let's calculate that. Looking at the beginning of the wave 1 in blue. And then we look at the $18,400 level for the wave 3 in blue. So it could be very well likely that we are going to see the wave 3 hit here, the $18,500 level, just because it is a previous support area anyway. And then we'll move up in a wave 4 and come down in a wave 5 to finish off wave 3 in white. Okay. And that's where we are, that's where we are, and that's how we are playing it and looking at it. And I don't primarily expect any more a stronger retracement to the upside. Again, I can't rule it out, but the thing is, if you come down that much. The only thing, it could only work in a flat pattern. Yeah, it could only work in a flat pattern like an A, B, C, but as I said, the wave C doesn't really have any space anymore, because where does it want to go to, right? So it would just retrace too much, and then there's a chance that it is actually this wave too. So the $20,200 level is still relevant, but yeah, I think it's gonna go down here. That's how it looks when you come down and make this 100% retracement. Basically, it really looks like we're going to lose this level and then might get a bounce at 19,000. But it really looks like if we are in a wave 3 of a wave 3, as this is indicating, then yeah, this is coming down. Actually, we are now in a wave 3 of a wave 3 of a wave 3. So it's basically the wave where we are going to see here a strong move down. We'll see if that is playing out, and if it is, then it is the right wave count, and then we see maybe a shallow retracement in a wave 4, maybe in the coming days, and a wave 5 down to finish off wave 3 in white. Can also give you a target for the wave 3 in white. So yeah, that is first of all the $17,500 level, and I think this is, to start with, the most likely target. Keep an eye on that one. Okay, that is my update here for Bitcoin. Yeah, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.